If you want to enable or disable mobile data saver on Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro, what we can do is we can go to the security app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer. Once you go to the security app, you're gonna swipe up in here, and then again, in order to open this toolbox, and you can find the data usage in here. There's a chance that you will find it in this common features as well. Once you open the data usage, we can tap on the setting icon in the upper right corner. And in here, we should be able to find the data usage and data plan. So we're gonna go to the data plan for the correct SIM for which we want to set up or disable the data saver. And in here we have the monthly limit, which we can easily set up. Let's say I'm gonna set it to 5 GB, and there we go. Now in here we can also choose what should happen when the data plan is up. We also can manage these additional options in here as well. But as you can see, if we go back after setting up the data limit, we can go to the data, we can enter the data usage as well, and manage data warnings too. We can also disable the usage if you want to. And that's pretty much it. So let me actually set up the data usage as well. There we go. So you can customize it in case the information is incorrect, of course. But that is pretty much it. And if you want to disable the data limits, usually you can just simply turn off the data usage in here, or you can set up a much higher limit, because unfortunately if you set it to 0, then most likely you will not have access to the data. So if you disable usage data and you lose access to the mobile data, then you can just go to the plan and just set up like really high data limit that you won't exceed at all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.